Hi everyone, I will be recording my road to recovery after ACL reconstruction and meniscus repair which I had in my right knee. In this video, I will be sharing my experience on how things have been for the last 2 years and what were the key things which I was supposed to be mindful of before the surgery and right after the surgery. Things which I wish I knew before going for the surgery. And in the upcoming videos, I will be sharing my weekly updates on how my knee is functioning, the key exercises which my physio have recommended me to go through, and what has been the progress so far on a week to week basis. So this is how my operated knee looks post 2 weeks of surgery. As you can see, there are many band-aids because there is a big stitching here, and couple of small stitchings around. Wearing this kind of socks so that there is no blood clot in both of my legs and there is a free flow of blood. I have swelling still there, but 2 weeks back it was almost double of this size, but now I can feel much better. As you can see, I'm also able to bend my leg quite a lot, which was definitely not the case in the very beginning. I will start walking and I will show how to walk as well, and along with couple of exercises which one should keep doing at least 3 to 4 times for the first 4 weeks, which is pretty crucial to follow. So I have been asked to use a lot of ice packing as much as I can to reduce the swelling. Also, I ended up buying electric shock wave machine. It has this tense functionality which helps me to reduce my pain, and honestly it helps me a lot whenever I have to stand up and walk a bit. And ta-da! So the first exercise is by keeping a towel below your knee area or anything which could create some kind of a gap and trying to squeeze your quads. Of course, you can't see the impact because it doesn't really work that way because my brain is not able to give the right senses to my knee, which could lead me to lift my toe up. But this is how it should be working. You contract, which makes you lift up your feet like this. However, when I try to do like this on my right knee, I struggle, but yeah, you you keep trying. As you can see, a bit of movement, but I'm not able to lift my feet still up. But that's something which you have to keep doing in a rep, like 10 times for 3 reps, and then you relax and move to the next exercise. But this is one of the good ways to start working up your this particular muscle. Now, as part of my next exercise, pretty simple, try to bend my knee as much as I can. Don't try to overdo, meaning when you can sense that the pain is getting too much, stop. Because in an average, and that's what one of the things I researched a lot, that uh, every person can have their own recovery time, which could be more or less varying from 1 to 2 months of difference, but on an average it takes at least 4 weeks to be able to bend your knee to 90 degree. uh, Post 2 weeks, I think upon my last measure, which was yesterday, I was able to bend my knee to 40 to 45 degree, and this is 2 week post.